In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage audio editing in Adobe After Effects with ease. We'll be covering how you can import, split, and trim audio files seamlessly, allowing you to enhance your overall video editing workflow. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by importing your audio, or if you have a video file with embedded audio, we'll bring that into After Effects. It's quite straightforward. Just navigate to File in the upper left corner of your screen, hover over Import, and then click on File. This action will prompt a dialog box where you can select your desired audio file. Once you've chosen your file, drag it directly onto the timeline. It's as simple as that. By following this method, your audio will be ready for editing right within the sequence you're working on. Now let's talk about splitting an audio layer at a specific point. This is particularly useful when you want to remove or separate a portion of your audio. Start by moving the current time indicator, commonly known as the CTI, to the exact location where you want to make that split. Once you've positioned the CTI perfectly, ensure the audio layer is selected. Then, if you're using a Windows computer, you'll want to press Ctrl, Shift, and D all at once. For Mac users, substitute Ctrl with CMD, so you'll press CMD, Shift, and D together. This action neatly splits your audio file at the playhead, creating a division wherever you placed the CTI. If your intention is to trim the start or end of an audio layer without dividing it into two parts, you can utilize another handy feature. For instance, move the CTI to where you want the new start point to be. If you're on Windows, press Alt and the left square bracket key. If you're working on a Mac, you'll press Option and the left square bracket instead. This sets a new endpoint for the layer. Similarly, if you want to adjust the endpoint, move the CTI to your desired location, then press Alt and the right square bracket on Windows, or Option and the right square bracket on Mac. This modifies the out point, effectively trimming the audio to fit your needs. After you've made your cuts or trimmed your segments, you have the flexibility to either delete the unwanted portions by selecting them and hitting the Delete key, or you can move the segments around as needed to better fit your project. For those of you who want more precision, particularly in aligning cuts, there's an optional step to consider. You can get a clearer visual view of your audio waveform. By selecting the layer and pressing L twice on your keyboard, the waveform will expand, showcasing where the audio peaks and the quiet spots lie. This feature can be extremely useful in ensuring your edits align perfectly with the audio cues. I hope these instructions provide clarity and improve your audio editing prowess in After Effects.